Okay, selamat pagi semua. So today we're going to Kuching and I'm with my sister and my brother. Jadi mak dan bapa ada dekat kereta sebuah lagi. Adik saya pun ada seorang kat sana. So you know what, it will take 5 hours dan the vlog will be, saya akan pendekkan dan jumpa di Kuching. Okay guys, so we're now dalam ferry and it is so loud because the ferry sounds like that. Ha ha ha. Okay, so what's wrong with my English? I don't know if you can listen to me, but it's too babau lah asap dia. So I'm using this mask right now. Thankfully I have mask with me and yeah. Oh my god, my blue mata. Okay guys, so we're waiting for the second ferry, but it took so long and I still can't see it coming. It didn't. I guess they're still far. I guess. Look at that. Right over there. Tak ada ferry langsung guys. No ferry guys. Okay, so we're waiting for it to arrive, but it's already like 15 to 20 minutes already, so I don't know. I hope that they'll arrive soon. And I'm with my dad. Here's my dad. This is my daddy. My dad, and he's what he's doing. Apa pola apa?
Yes, what are you talking?
I'm asking what are you doing?
Yes. We're still waiting for the next ferry.
Next ferry?
Yes.
Hi mommy.
I hope not to take a long time.
Yay! Right. Okay, now we're on board and I'm outside. Oh, hello. It's my dad and my brother, my younger brother. Hello. So
how you looking? Me still young?
huh? You still young?
You already 58.
My dad is almost 60.
58.
Yeah, in 2 years he'll turn 60 and he asked me whether he's still young or not, and I still think he's looking young. Okay guys, so now I'm in Plaza Merdeka. It's now berapa jam? Oh, late. It's now 3:35 and we're looking for my mom's birthday gift because
It's her birthday.
you know, it's her birthday today and we don't know what kind of gift that we should go for because there's a lot of things and we're afraid that our mom will not like our gift. So yeah, we end up to be in Guardian. Masuk Guardian right? Yeah. And I end up to buy my own makeup. Ito. There's 50% off guys. So I wanna get one.
This one ba?
Ini ya kah? Kok nggak ada sih? Gimana ya? Hindi na. Be right back. Just finished buying some stuff and you know how much it costs. Even though there's 50% off, but I still spend for like 124 ringgit. Oh wait, they can't focus. So it's like I spent around 124 ringgit and 65 cents. So it's a lot, you know, for just this much of makeup.
I don't know me either. You're in full blossom. Just hold me tight.
third floor in the end. So we're gonna wrap my mom's gift right here. I just bought her a bag, handbag, and I hope that she'll like it, and I can't wait for her to open her gift tonight. Let me apa nampak tak tu ah? Okay, so kita cuba tripod. Okay lah. Sikit lagi. It's a lot easier if you only have to hold like this. Huh? How can it be so cheap? Boleh lah. Punya murah ni lah macam.
컴컴한 오늘 밤 컴컴 내게 와 절대 걱정하지 말고 내게 와 I need you, I love you so much Come to me my girl 나이 아파도 힘들어도 조금 더 가지고 싶어 I need you, I love you so much Come to me my girl 네가 힘들 때 맘 안아줄게 나도 힘들지만 너도 줄게